Hello everyone and welcome to Marty Motoring. The clips you just saw were from my first event with the Camaro, Lancaster Cars and Coffee, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I went out there with my friend Nick, Guitar Mageddon ZL1 and his 1969 Camaro SS. I brought my 2013 Camaro SS and we parked next to each other at the event. And we kind of walked around, looked at some other cars, talked to some people, and it was a good time. And a lot of people were actually looking at my car, which I don't understand because it's completely stock. And they were like looking in the windows and seeing if it was manual or auto, I guess. Not really sure, I'm not kind of used to that attention. Most people with my IS350, the Lexus I had, just kind of like looked at it and walked away. And they never like checked it out like that. So that was interesting, but it was a fun time cruising around that day. I think I put about 300 miles on the car just in that weekend, which is a pretty good amount of driving from just like 3 different towns that are pretty close. So I'm really enjoying the car so far. I've had it for about a week at this point, and now I'm kind of itching to do some mods to it. So I ordered some things in the mail and we're gonna put them on today.
First up are the blacked out taillight bezels. They are a gloss black that I'm replacing the chrome bezels with. First I just had to remove the cover and then pry each one out. Now I did break a clip on removal just because I pushed too hard, but the new ones go in nice and easy. Lastly, we do the passenger side, and both are blacked out and looking awesome. Next, I just change out the plain license plate cover that I had put on for a 6.2 liter LS3 one, just to spice up the rear a little bit. Next, we tint the reverse lights just with a little tint strip that I got online, and it fits pretty nicely. I just had to clean each one and put it on, and then just cut around the edges to make it fit exactly. So far it's looking great. Next we move on to the marker light overlays that are tinted. We do the rear, which are red, and we tint over those, and then we do the front, which are the amber. Also, another mod I didn't really film, I forgot to mention, because I didn't know if it would work. I ordered a blacked out decal for the steering wheel. It doesn't fit exactly, but it's a little better than what was there, which is the gold, which I never really liked the look of the gold, but this looks a lot better, even though it doesn't fit properly. But yeah, that's another little mod that really adds to the whole look of the interior. It just gives it a more menacing look. I have decals on the way that fit here. It'll make the steering wheel look a lot better. So the first mods are done. Of course, we have the license plate cover, which doesn't look great with the Maryland temp tag, but that'll be changed soon. We have the gloss black emblem. This is stock, but we put the black bezels for the taillights on, and they make it look a little more menacing. But we have the reverse light tint, side marker tint, and the front marker tint. And I put these SS badges that are just replicas from eBay with 3M. They kind of look cool instead of the Camaro. I'm not sure, maybe I'll get another set and move them over. They were cheap, but I think they make it look a little more unique. We do still need to do something about the plastic tip wheels. Rally stripes removed, and here's the kind of more blocked out look because of that. And of course we got the logo, Marty Motoring logo on the side. Gotta have that. We're getting tint soon. Then we have the SS badge on this side. Got the Brembos and the plastic tip wheels again, which really need to change. Next mod is going to be LED headlights. I have them, I just got to put them in. We removed the racing stripes here as well, and it's looking really good. The car is looking a little bit more unique and better. There's still a lot more to do, but that's just the start of the mods, the easy stuff, the small stuff, the details that matter. Really enjoying this car so far, and I think the mods added that little bit more of enjoyment. So drop in the comments, what do you think of the mods so far below? I know they're small, they're not really like full mods, but those will be coming in the future. Just got to start somewhere and start cheap because I just bought the car, so start cheap and gradually work our way up. Really enjoying the driving experience of this car, like I said, and can't wait to make more videos. The one right before this was the reveal of the car and had mixed reviews, but it seemed like a lot of people were excited for this car on the channel, and now this is the second video with the event and the mods, the first ones I've ever done with the car, so it's only going to get bigger and better from here. So if you liked this video and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, helps me out. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications and follow along with the channel. That really helps the channel out as well. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. You can message me there and kind of keep up with the latest stuff before it hits YouTube. And as always, keep those wheels turning.